Hello students, let us discuss about objective questions of acids, bases and salts. Which of the following oxides give pink color with phenolphthalein indicator in aqueous solution? N2O, NO, calcium oxide, carbon dioxide gas. Calcium oxide is correct options because it is basic oxides which gives pink color with phenolphthalein. Ammonium chloride is a salt of weak acid and weak base. Weak acid and strong base, strong acid and strong base. Correct option is strong acid and weak base because ammonium chloride is formed by treating HCl with ammonium hydroxide. HCl is strong acid and ammonium hydroxide is weak base. So D is the correct option. Next is, why is gypsum added to cement? To undergo a chemical reaction, to dehydrate cement, to slow down the initial setting of cement, to make cement stronger. Correct option is gypsum is added to cement to slow down the initial setting of cement. pH paper is separately dipped into two different solution X and Y. Color of pH paper turned pale green in X and blue in Y. Here pale green in X, that means neutral, and blue in Y, that means base. A, X water and Y NaOH. This is correct options because X water, that is neutral and it will give green color, and Y NaOH, this is base, that will give blue color. A solution react with crushed eggshell to give a gas that turns lime water milky. Lime water milky, that means carbon dioxide gas is evolved. A solution react with crushed eggshell calcium carbonate. When it will treated with any acid, then it will give carbon dioxide gas. Here HCl is the acid and rest are salt. So HCl is correct options, which will react with crushed eggshell, that means calcium carbonate, and produce carbon dioxide that will turns lime water milky. A solution turns red litmus blue, its pH is likely to red litmus blue, that means base, and its pH value must be more than 7. So correct option is D, 10 and 145, that is all these are pH value that belongs to acids. Which one of the following types of medicine is used for treating indigestion? Antacid is correct options because antacids are substances which used to treat for indigestion. 10 milliliter of a solution of NaOH is found to be completely neutralized by 8 milliliter of solutions of HCl. If we take 20 milliliter, how much HCl will required? For 10 milliliter, 8 milliliter is required, and therefore for 20 milliliter NaOH, just double 16 milliliter HCl will be required. So correct option will be here 16 milliliter, that means D1. A drop of liquid sample was put on the pH paper. It was observed that color of the pH paper turned blue. Turned blue means it means base. The liquid sample is lemon juice, this is acid. Sodium bicarbonate, it is base, so it is correct option. Distilled water neutral, and hydrochloric acid, this is acid, so this is incorrect. So B is the correct answer. A student was asked to collect apparatus from lab store for doing experiment for pH of given sample. pH paper, dropper, litmus paper, all these are required. Fourth is petri dish, this one will not required. A salt is dissolved in water. The pH of the salt solution was found to be 7 by measuring the pH with a universal indicator. The salt it must be neutral salt. KCl is neutral salt, and accepts are Na2CO3, this is basic salts. NH4Cl is acidic salts. CH3CONa, this is also basic salts. KCl is neutral salt. KOH strong base. HCl strong acid, from which KCl is formed. So correct option is KCl, which is entirely neutral. And a salt is dissolved in water. The pH of the salt solution was found to be 7 by measuring the pH with universal indicator. A solution has pH value of 5. On adding 10 ml of NaCl, what will be the change in pH? If NaCl is added in any solution, no change will take place in pH value because NaCl is neutral salt and there will no any change in pH value. Here is setups for zinc granules and HCl to produce hydrogen gas. Here, which one is the correct setup? This is questions, and we see here. So fourth is the correct setup. Fourth is the correct setups, because here in first one you can see pipe that is from very deep, that is incorrect. What is the common name of compound CaOCl2? CaOCl2, it is bleaching powder. Calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2 chemical name, and bleaching powder is common name. What is the common name here? Plaster of Paris should be stored in moisture proof container. Explain why. Plaster of Paris should be stored in moisture proof container because the presence of moisture, it can cause slow setting of plaster of Paris and it become harder. It will make a hard substance, that is gypsum. Here is not mentioned, but gypsum is obtained. Name the sodium compound which is used for softening hard water. Sodium carbonate, that is washing soda, is used for softening hard water. Hardness of water is caused due to salt of calcium and magnesium. Calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate and magnesium sulfate. What is neutralization reaction? The reaction of an acid and base giving rise to the corresponding salt and water is called neutralization reaction. NaCl plus HCl, NaCl plus H2O, and magnesium hydroxide plus H2CO3, magnesium carbonate plus water is the examples of neutralization reaction. Why should curd and sour substance not be kept in brass and copper vessels? Because curd contain acids, and if any, when curd is stored in any metal container, it may react with it and form some toxic substance which is not good for our health and it cause food poisoning. Curd and sour substance should not be kept in brass and copper vessels because it may cause food poisoning. To watch more videos, subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notification of my new videos.